Warriors trying.
First and 10 Deerfield at the Highland Park 24-yard line.
9:46 clock rolling.
Well, Deerfield has a golden opportunity. You're plenty of time before half.
Inside the 25-yard line, first and 10. Two receivers to the right. Land looking that way. Now looking down the middle. Now rolling right, throwing right, complete. Again, it's Logan Feldman. Cracked out of bounds.
Awesome layouts pass to Logan Feldman is complete.
There's a couple times.
The tackle by Chukas Marks.
Sports Broadcast Solution.
Gain of 4 on the play. 2nd and 6 Deerfield at the edge of the Highland Park red zone.
Wish a happy birthday to Paula Avenham. Happy birthday. Congratulations, you made it another year and you're having a great night at the football game. I think Paula is in attendance.
Anywhere else I'd rather be.
Nowhere else she would rather be. Her son Andrew is out there having a great time and really loving the experience, isn't he? Yes, he is.
Rick Woodson, the ball carrier.
Congratulations to the whole
Nick Cohen takes him down. Gain of 2 on the play. It brings up 3rd down.
So it's 3rd and 3.
3rd and 3. Ball at the 18-yard line.
On the 18, they got to get to the 15. That's how the math works here. Big play, Bob. Mayette and Luke Woodson looking over to the Deerfield bench, getting a call. Let's see what Mickey and company want on this big 3rd down. Woodson goes to the right of Leanne. Leanne looking left, throwing left to the end zone. They go wide open!
Osmolet's pass intended for Luke Jones is incomplete.
Jones had it and could not hang on. Warriors fans.
The pass broken up by Carson Ranger.
But unfortunately for the Warriors, Jones just came up short. I said
43 Deerfield at the Highland Park 18.
a little overstating. He was open, but that was a great throw. They're going to kick the field goal here, Bob.
Well, that surprises me a lot. But 0-0.
Hudson Sherwood get kicked.
Give him a look.
35-yard field goal.
I'm just kidding. Nails.
From the right hash.
Yeah, this is not for the meat.
Let's see what our Hudson Sherwood has here. Trying to get on the board. Snap is a good one. The line drive kick is no good.
The kick is no good.
Not even close.
I couldn't tell. I thought it was right through there, but it was wide left.
Yeah, wide left.
So the Warriors tried to get on the board. Did not happen. And we will keep rolling on here. With 3:52 to go in the first half. Carman, Bob Vissley, and our outstanding cameraman who's making us all feel slightly safe.
Highland Park takes over 1st and 10 at their own 40.
Adams Field at Deerfield High School. Will this be the drive?
This time they got 3 receivers right and 2 left.
Crane back with time, rolling right. Flag is down, pass is complete.
Gotta be holding.
Breaking some tackles out to the 25 now.
Crane's pass to Jaden Holtzman is complete. Tackled by Chris Dawson. There's a flag on the play.
Jaden Holtzman, the chosen receiver.
The preliminary call holding against Highland Park.
Get a hold here, Bob. That's a lot of times when you get a flag on the backfield, it generally turns out that way, and it did here.
Yeah, that wasn't the hard penalty to predict. Right? With 3:40 to go before half, and still a 0-0 game. And I took the over.
He who gambles lives in shambles, Bob, except for those who know what they're doing.
Yeah, good thing I don't. Yeah, good thing I don't.
No holding call against Highland Park confirmed.
Plus, I have accounts with DraftKings, FanDuel, and Varsity. Yeah, that's my will.
And makes it 1st and 20. Ball at the 10-yard line for Highland Park.
Well, this would be a shout out to Kyle. I had never heard of points bet until he told me about it.
They would be we would love to have points bet. Participating sponsor.
For high school games, I'm not sure.
Legal for high school games, probably not.
Giovanni Popentesta, the ball carrier, runs into a black hole of Warriors.
I played poker in high school, Bob. I don't know about you.
I played hearts.
There you go.
Well, we had an all-day hearts
Game 3 on the play, 2nd and 17, Highland Park to the 13.
So whoever had study hall would just go and take one of the 4 corners and we let the game go all day and you found out which corner won. Of course, it could have been multiple partners as the day wore on. That was a fun event.
Second and sounds amazing. 2nd and 17. Three receivers to the right, one to the left. In the gun crane, rolling right, looking downfield, and there's that man again.
Crane's pass intended for Jaden Holtzman is complete.
Again, I like what Highland Park did. They're not trying to get the whole first down.
He's pushed out of bounds by Jonathan Ibarra.
So they got about half of that. Now third, just at least the manageable 5 or 6 yards.
Gain of 11 on the play. It brings up 3rd down.
Little pitch and catch out to the 20.
They've got 6 to go.
So as long as Deerfield provides the little wide receiver screen, Highland Park hasn't been using it lately. 3 receivers left and 2 right.
3rd and 7. Crane looking right down the middle, wide open. Oh! Through the
Crane's
hands.
pass intended for Giovanni Popentesta is incomplete. Bringing up 4th down.
They have to deflate some of these footballs so they can catch them.
There was some little mustard on that ball.
Yeah, he's got a good arm, but still right through his hands.
And look, he could have, it would have been a first down and more. He had room to run.
It's hard though when you're on the field because you just don't know when the receiver turns around and then locates the ball. Sometimes you turn around and the ball's already in the air and you got to locate it in this dark night with the dark football.
Going for it again here on 4th down, deep in their own territory on the 29.
Yeah, that would be against my advice. Now here we go, unless they punt from here.
Max now back to punt for Highland Park.
Punted here. Snap.
Jones to receive.
Oh, it's a good punt this time. Back and fielding at the 38-yard line.
Oh.
They had spinning one way, spinning up. They go catch the room to the 50. And right down to the 47.
Now the punt goes 36 yards.
Right, then left. Found some room. Good return.
Luke Jones tackled by Jaden Holtzman.
Wow.
And at the Highland Park 46-yard line.
Deerfield is winning the
A return of 24 yards. Warriors will take over 1st and 10 at the Highland Park 46.
But here now there's only 2:28 to go.
Yep.
But they have all 3 of their timeouts.
Plenty of time, but they do like to get it out of the ground here. We'll see. Jones going to slap to the right. They had the gun. Woodson to his left. And nope, keeps it, swings it left side. Complete.
Austin pass to Zach Pomerantz is complete. He's taken down by Max Mauer. Gain of 8 on the play.
Now again,
2nd down, 2 to go. Ball at the Highland Park 37-yard line.
2nd and short. 2:21 to play in the half. Handoff Woodson up the middle. 1st down and a little bit more.
Woodson the ball carrier.
Taking down the 33-yard line.
Tackled by Jason Gleiser. The rush good for a Warrior 1st down.
Clock stops for 2 seconds.
Gain of 5 on the play. 1st and 10 Deerfield at the Highland Park 33.
No huddle and 2:09.
Taking their time. They certainly don't want to give the ball back to Highland Park, even though they do not have good field position. Handoff Woodson, cutting left to the 30, to the 25, room to run to the 20, and down at the 19.
That was a great one. Those are 2 cutbacks on the same run.
By Hector Marks.
Just cut back, kept going.
The rush good for a Warrior 1st down.
Field goal range as they just try to
Gain of 14 on the play, and the Warriors have entered the red zone at the 19-yard line. 1st and 10.
45 receivers to the right, one to the left. Receiver in motion. As that's Luke Jones. Pitch right side. Jones has it. Got room to the 15. Cut back down to the 10.
Quarterback got a handoff. It was like a
Tackled by his numerical counterpart, Daniel Morgenstern.
1:19 clock moving.
It's hard not to go for that kind of a fake if you're the defensive line.
Gain of 7 on the play. Second and 3. Deerfield at the Highland Park 12-yard line.
No panic with the running clock here either.
Warriors looking to take the lead at the half here. Coming up on a minute to go. Snap it. There he is, running to the end zone. What's the Warriors? On the board.
12 yards into the end zone. The score is Deerfield 6, Highland Park 0.
Highland Park has played great on the run all game long.
Hudson Sherwood, 2 attempts to PAT.
Extra point coming here with 54 seconds to go. The Giants will get the football back here. Way to go, boy! Deerfield has struck first.